What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me here at R&J BBQ. Today we're going to go ahead and make some carnitas. Let's go. All right, so as you see here, we have our pork butt from Costco. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Luckily, it comes with two, so we're going to use one and save one for later. All right, we're going to go ahead and pat this dry. It's got a little bit of a fat cap on there, and we want that to help rain it down. It won't dry out as much. And the good thing about this is it's a pretty forgiving piece of meat. So always good for your first time going on smoker. Good. Just going to go ahead and break this down into rough sections here. And we're here with some salt and pepper. The braise will be what really flavors this, so just keeping it simple here. All right, now that we've cut up and seasoned the meat, let's go ahead and head to the smoker. Oops. Now that our smoker is up to temp, we're going to go ahead and add our meat. We're not worried about cooking it all the way through. We just want a nice smoke flavor. I added some mesquite wood as well to help. So once it browns and gets some good color on it, we'll go ahead and pull it off. Now, you don't just have to have a charcoal grill to do this. You can also use a gas grill if you need to. You can probably just use a cast iron pan if you just want to brown these up as well. Most of the cookies are going to be done in the oven through a braise. Pieces of pork are on the grill. Let's go ahead and get our ingredients for our salsa verde. All right, to elevate this dish, for our carnitas tacos, we're going to make salsa verde. It's slightly spicy, it's herby, it's tangy, and it's just going to help complement everything. So at the heart of salsa verde are tomatillos. These are not to be confused with green tomatoes, and they have a slightly tart flavor that gives the salsa its signature kick. We're going to take all the fresh ingredients, so our jalapenos, our onions, and our tomatillos, and we're going to throw them on the grill and roast them up. And they'll get a nice flavor and get that smokiness that we also gave to our meat. And if you like it spicy, you can add more jalapenos. If you like it milder, you can take the seeds out. Whatever you want to do, you can really customize this to how you want. We just want you to be able to make it. We're going to add our cilantro, our lime juice, and our salt, along with our avocado oil, and blend it up.
Yes, stick together the textures as well as former brushing thing. Indeed.
So good. All right, our meat has some good flavor on there. As we can see, nice and brown. We're going to go ahead and take them off. Now that we've taken the meat off of the grill, it's time to combine everything. I was going to put this in the oven, but I have a crock pot, so I decided to throw everything in there. All right, let's add our lard. Our oranges. A stick of cinnamon. 5 cloves of garlic whole. Our onions. Add in some oregano along with our cumin seeds. Able to film this, but I also added a Mexican Coke and 5 ounces of condensed milk around 5 hours into the cook. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on low on the crock pot setting. And this is after 10 hours on low. You can see it's just super tender. All the flavors have infused into the pork and it just smells absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead and start putting everything together. I dipped those tortillas in that Carnitas juices, that lard infused with all those flavors and spices, and we're going to cook these up. All right, I turned up the heat on the skillet. Now I've thrown a little bit of the juice from the carnitas in the crock pot in there, and we're gonna throw the meat in to get it nice and crisp. Smells amazing. Now it's time for the best part, assembling the tacos. So we're going to go ahead and put down our carnitas. Add in some of that salsa verde that we made earlier. Along with some cilantro and onion. All right, now for the taste test. Still. You know, the smoky flavor on the pork, the lowest low 10-hour cooking on the crock pot, and then a little crisp at the end on the cast iron. Fantastic, along with our homemade salsa verde. Definitely try it all. Let me know how it works out for you, and be sure to like and subscribe.